Hello, Brave One. Today we will make a revision on November test. Question number one. If r multiplied by x plus 2 equal 12 and substitution set is 2, 3, 4, then the solution set is what? When you substitute by 2, we will get 4 times 2 plus 2, which equals 16, not 12. What about 3? 4 times 3 plus 2 equal 20, not 12. What about 4? 4 times 4 plus 2, which equal 24, not 12. So the solution set here is 5. Number 2, if angle x and angle y are supplementary and measure of x equal to measure of angle y, then measure of angle y equal, okay, let's divide 180 by 3, which equals 60. So measure y will be 60 and measure x will be 60 plus 60 equal 120. Here we want measure y, so we will choose number B. Question number 3, in the opposite figure, AB intersect CD. Okay, that's mean vertically opposite angle, right? So 3x will be 60. Divided 3x and 60 by 3, we get x equals 60 divided 3, which equal 20 degree. Number 4, an isosceles triangle with two side lengths 3 and 8 centimeter. What's the length of the third side? Okay, isosceles triangle means it has two sides are equal in length. So let's think. We will take 3 and 3 and 8 or 3 and 8 and 8. Let's try 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6 and 6 is not greater than 8. What about 8? 3 plus 8 equal 11 and 11 is greater than the third side 8. So our solution here will be 8 centimeter. In the opposite figure, measure of angle E, we want to calculate it. Okay, first look at triangle ABC. Measure of angle A equals 50 and angle C equals 70. Can you calculate measure of angle ABC? Excellent. 180 minus 50 plus 70 equal 60 degree. So angle B here equals 60 degree. By using vertically opposite angles, this angle also will be 60 degree. Okay, and look at this figure EFDB. It's quadrilateral. The sum of measure of its interior angle equals 360. So we will put 360 minus 60 plus 130 plus 90 degree. So measure of angle E will be 80 degree. Okay. Number 6, the two lines parallel to a third are of course parallel. Number 7, the diagonal bisects the interior angle in which of the following? The diagonal bisects the interior angle in a square. And another what? Another shape is called rhombus. So we will choose rhombus and square. Question number 8. Which of the following angle must be one of the interior angle of a concave polygon? Concave polygon must have at least one reflex angle. So to be concave, we must have an reflex angle at least. Question number 2. If two adjacent angles whose outer side on the same straight line are supplementary, what about two adjacent angles whose outer side are perpendicular? They will be called what? They will called complementary, okay? But on a straight line, supplementary, perpendicular or complementary, okay? A zero angle is complemented by right angle, and the zero angle supplemented by straight angle. Number 3, sum of measure of accumulative angles at a point equal 360 degree, of course. Question number 4, in a triangle, measure A equals 70 degree, measure C equals 50 degree. How can you calculate measure of angle B? Okay, the sum of measure of the interior angles equal 180. So measure of angle B equal 180 minus 70 plus 50, which equal 60 degree. In the opposite figure, here we have two parallel lines, okay? and we want to calculate measure of angle x. Okay, look at this point. This point has around it three angles, so they called accumulative angle at a point, and the accumulative angle at a point equal 360. Okay, we want to calculate this angle. Okay, so we will write 360 minus 150 plus 90 equal what? Equal 120. This angle equal 120. Okay, sorry about this. And this line is parallel to this line, and this transversal. Okay, we get هنا letter U, صح? So angle x plus 120 degree equal what? Equal 180 degree, because they are interior angle and on the same side of the transversal. Okay, so angle x will be 180 minus 120, which equal 60 degree. Question number 6. If a straight line intersect two parallel straight lines, then the two corresponding angle are equal in measure. What about alternate angles? Alternate angles are equal in measure. What about interior angle on the same side of the transversal? Or supplementary? Focus. Okay. Number 7. If two adjacent sides in a parallelogram are equal, then the shape is rhombus. Question number 8. The number of all adjacent angle pair in the given figure equal, of course, equal 4. Okay. In the opposite figure, here we have ABCD as a parallelogram. We want to prove that this shape is a parallelogram. Okay. You know the properties of parallelogram. Each two opposite sides are equal in length. Each two opposite sides are parallel. Each two opposite angles are equal in measure. The two adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. To prove that ABCD is a parallelogram, look well. Here we have measure of angle A equal 115 degree and measure of angle D equal 65 degree, and they are two interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Their sum equal 115 plus 65 equal 180 degree. So AB will parallel to CD. Okay, look at triangle CBE. Measure of angle BCE equal 45 degree and measure of angle CEB equal 70 degree. What about angle B? It's so easy. We know that the sum of measure of the interior angles of a triangle equal 180. So we can find measure of angle B by writing 180 minus open bracket 45 plus 70 equals 65. Look well at angle A and angle B. Angle A equal 150 degree, 115 degree, and angle B equal 65 degree. When you add 115 to 65, we get 180. And the angle A and the angle B are two interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So we can say that AB is parallel to CD. So here we have AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to DC. So the shape is called parallelogram. Question number 4. In the opposite figure, D belongs to ray AB. Okay, angle ABD is called, of course, exterior angle. And measure C equal to x plus 2 degree and measure of angle A equal 80 degree. We want to find by using a proof the value of x. Okay, here we have this exterior angle equal the sum of the two interior angle except the adjacent. So 5x plus 7 equal 80 degree plus 2x plus 2. Okay, and let's solve it as the equation. Here we have 5x and here we have 2x. Let's move 2x to the left hand side. So it will be 5x minus 2x equal 80 plus 2 minus 7. We will move 7 to the right hand side. When you calculate it, 80 plus 2 minus 7 equals 75. 3x equals 75. How can we get x not 3x? By dividing the both sides by 3. Divided by 3, x equals 75 divided 3 equal 25 degree. So the value of x here equal 25 degree.